Hello children, welcome back. Hope you all are fine. So in the last video we discussed about the lesson My Home. Yes or no? What we discussed in the lesson? Yes, in that lesson we discussed about Jadu and Surya. Right? Surya took Jadu to his home and he explained about all the rooms. Why? Because Jadu don't know about anything like rooms or house or animals. He don't know about these all things. Okay? So that's why what happened? Surya took Jadu to his home and explained about all the rooms. Okay? So first Surya took Jadu to the kitchen. Okay? And he said that yes, kitchen is the place where my mother cooks food for all the family members. Okay? Yes. Next is what? Next Surya took Jadu to the living room. Living room is what? Jadu said, what is a living room? Then Surya said, living room is a place where all the family members sit together and what they relax, they watch TV and they enjoy together in the living room. Yes or no? Yes. Next is what? Surya took Jadu to the bathroom. Okay? And Jadu said, what is a bathroom? Then Surya said, this is a place where we take bath. Okay? Yes. Next is what? That is the dining room. Why? Because both Jadu and Surya were very hungry, right? They wanted to eat. That's why Surya took Jadu to the dining room. Okay? In the dining room, what we do? Yes. In the dining room, we eat food, right? Yes. Next is what? Surya took, in the last, they both were very tired, right? They wanted to sleep. Okay, so that's why Surya took Jadu to the bedroom. So, Surya said that this is my bedroom. And what we do in the bedroom? Yes, we sleep and we take rest in the bedroom. Then what Jadu said? Yes, your bedroom is so neat, Surya, he said. Yes or no? Yes. Next, what happened? Today we will discuss in this video. Okay, children? So, let's start. So, children, you can see here, this is the bedroom of Surya, right? Next, what happened? In the bedroom, one window was there. Okay, children? So, this is the window. Are you able to see the window? Yes, this is the window. Okay. Then Jadu, looking into the window, he said, what is this? This is different from your house. What is this, Surya? Then Surya said, that is a kacha house. What is a kacha house? Do you know? Okay, kacha house means what? The house made of mud and straw is called as kacha house. But what is our house? Our house is called as pakka house. Okay, I'll tell you about that. Wait. So here you can see Jadu said that what is your house made of? So if that is made of mud and straw and that is a kacha house, then what is your house called? He asked Surya. Then what Surya said? Yes, Surya said that my house is a pakka house. You have written in the keywords P-U-C-C-A, pakka and kacha, right? So my house is a pakka house, Surya said. It is made of bricks and cement. Okay, children? Our house is what? He's saying that our house is pakka house. Why? Because this is made of bricks and cement. Okay. Then what happened? A pakka house is a strong house. A kacha house is not very strong. Now Surya told Jadu that what is the difference between pakka and kacha is that kacha is not strong. So here you can see Jadu said that what is your house made of? So if that is made of mud and straw and that is a kacha house, then what is your house called? He asked Surya. Then what Surya said? Yes, Surya said that my house is a pakka house. You have written in the keywords P-U-C-C-A, pakka and kacha, right? So my house is a pakka house, Surya said. It is made of bricks and cement. Okay, children? Our house is what? He's saying that our house is Pakka house. Why? Because this is made of bricks and cement. Okay. Then what happened? A Pakka house is a strong house. A Kacha house is not very strong. Now Surya told Jadu that what is the difference between Pakka and Kacha is that what? Pakka house is a strong house. A Kacha house is not very strong house. Okay? So Surya explained the difference between Kacha and Pakka house. So children, you understood about Kacha and Pakka? Kacha house is made of what? Mud and straw. Pakka house is made of bricks and cement. Okay? So Pakka house is a strong house, but Kacha house is not very strong. This one you have to keep in your mind. Okay? Now next what happened? Now again Jadu saw another house. Then Jadu asked, I can see some other houses also. What are they called? Through the window only he is seeing and he is asking Surya. So this is the Kacha house, right? This is where inside the Pakka house they are. Inside Surya's house they are. He saw the Kacha house. And what else? So Jadu is asking, what is that? From the window he saw another big house and he said, I can see some other houses. What are they called, Surya? He is asking. Okay. Then Surya said that, well, this is bungalow. That is an apartment. Okay. He said, this is the bungalow and this is an apartment. Now Jadu asked, can you tell me more about these houses? Then Surya said, yes, I can. You can see children here. So Surya is explaining about a bungalow and apartment, right? So he said that this is a bungalow, okay, and this is an apartment. These all words you have written in the keywords, okay. Bungalow, B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. Bungalow means what? Surya said that a bungalow is a large house with a lawn. Many houses located in a building are called flats or apartments. So bungalow means what? One independent house, or you can say large house. Okay. But flat means what? That means flats or apartments. And if many houses are there in the same building, okay, that are called as flats or apartments. Okay. So this is bungalow, this is apartment. Okay children? So children, let me tell you once again. This is what? This is a Kacha house. Okay? This is a Pakka house. And next what? Bungalow and apartment. That are what? This is a bungalow, okay, and this is an apartment. Okay, children? Now, Jadu said, I had a great time in your house, Surya. He said, okay, that means he enjoyed. So, that's why he said that I had a great time in your house. Then Surya said, do you know that my house is my home too? How? Let's see. Now, Jadu asked, what is the difference between a home and house, Surya? He asked. Then Surya said that a home is a place where we live with our family and share love and affection. Okay. But a house is made of only bricks and cement. Okay, children, understood? Home is a place where we live with our family and share love and affection. We live together. House means only that is made of bricks and cement. Now, after seeing these all things, Jadu also wanted to go back to his home. So he said that yes, there is no place like home, Surya. I must go back home, my sweet home. Okay, he also wanted to go back. So you can see, are you able to see this? One vehicle is there outside. So Jadu will go to his home by this vehicle. Okay. Yes. Now here Surya is saying bye to Jadu. Now. So after saying bye to Jadu, next what happened? Yes, do you really think that Surya met Jadu? No, children. Actually, Surya was sleeping. So no, are you able to see here? One picture is there. Surya's mother is trying to get up. Surya. She said, Surya, get up, Surya, get up. But Surya was in deep sleep. Why? Because he was enjoying the dream, right? Yes, with Jadu. He was enjoying the dream with Jadu. Next, what happened? Yes. Then after getting up, Surya is saying, Jadu, where are you? Jadu, where are you? Then his mother said, who is Jadu, Surya? Then Surya said, oh, it was a sweet dream. Then Surya realized that he did not met with Jadu. That was a dream. Okay. Now his mother said, you have to get ready for school. Hurry up. So this is all about Jadu and Surya. Actually, he did not met Jadu. So this is the story about Jadu and Surya. But this is all about dream. So really, Surya did not met Jadu. It was dream, right? In dream, he told about all the types of houses and types of what? All the rooms. He explained about all the rooms like living room, bedroom, bathroom to Jadu. Okay, children? So, children, hope you enjoyed the lesson about Jadu and Surya, right? In the next video, we'll discuss about something new.